Hello everyone, welcome back to day 5 of our 30-day Power BI series. I'm Umi Asma and today we are diving into stack column charts, a powerful visualization that helps you compare totals and analyze the contribution of categories within this totals. If you have been following along, yesterday we have covered stack bar charts. So today is the perfect progression. Let's get started. So what does stack column chart here? A stack column chart represents data with rectangular bars. As you can see, this is a rectangular bar, where each segment of the bar represents a portion of the total value. These segments are stacked on top of each other so that it makes easy to compare the composition of different categories. Why use stack column charts? To show data composition for multiple categories, to compare the total value across categories and distribution of subcategories. So now let us look at difference between stack column chart and the stack bar chart. So this is your column chart and this is your stack bar chart. Let's look at the feature. Stack column chart vertical. Okay, columns are stacked on top of each other. But in the stack bar chart, it's a horizontal. Bars are stacked side by side. Okay, then we have a space utilization. It fits well when there are many categories in a column chart. But here the stack bar chart fit well when there are long category names. Readability, it's better for comparing values across a time period, but for a stack bar chart, it's easier to read when comparing data across category. Okay, so now the use cases is comparing sales revenue or trends over time, and here we are analyzing surveys, responses, or demographic data. So this is our Power BI interface. So let's load our data in the Power BI. Click on the Get Data here. My data is in the form of Excel workbook. I'll click on Connect. Yes. Okay, so this is how you imported data in the Power BI. So I'm repeating it uh, couple of times so that you understand this how to import the data and different ways to import data in Power BI. Okay, click on the load. Yes, so now my data is loaded here. You can see on the right side of your screen. Okay, the inner data pane. Here is our visualization section. So let's get started. So today we are creating a stack column chart. Click on that. Yes. So now at the just below your visualization section, you can see you have a axes, right? X-axis, Y-axis, and the legend. All right. So in the X-axis, I'll be giving a date. So we have a date hierarchy here. All right. In the Y-axis, I'll give a sales. Yes, so see here, yearly sales. Like we have a different years 2018, 19, 2020, 2021, and 2022 here. Here we have a one more option that is a legend. Okay, in the legend, I'll be giving a regions here. So you can see the stack column chart here. All right. So this is a simple stack column chart. So now if you want, you can format it to make it attractive for the client. So here you have a format your visual. Click on this paintbrush. Here we have a x-axis, y-axis, and the legend. Okay, so you can click on it. You can just give it a continuous. Here you have a two types here: continuous and categorical, minimum and maximum. All right. Yeah, and you can give a values as well. You can give a font. You can change the size of the font here. Either you can keep it in a bold or italic, and you can change a color. So whichever is your desired color you want, you can give it here. Okay, so now here is a title. You can change the title here. So I have given a auto here. It says the year and some of the sales in the y-axis. Okay. Yeah, so now this is a y-axis. Again, the same for the y-axis and the legends as well. So if you want, you can turn on the data labels and check. Here you can see date year is your 2019, region is a west, and sum of sale is 1893. All right, here to in 2022 you can see 2000, it's increased here. Okay, the sales is increased in 2022, 20, sorry. All right, now here you can see again it's dropped here. Okay, In 2022, it again there is a drop in the sale. Let's come back to our visual. There is a sum of sales we have given, but if you want to see the average of sales, so you can see the average here. Okay, and right click here. If you want to see the minimum of the sale, you can see the minimum sale. So all right, as per your need, you can change it. Okay, if you want a standard deviation, you can keep a standard deviation. So as for now, I'll be selecting a sum here. Okay. Yes, so now here see at the bottom of your screen you can see there is a page one. When you right click it, you will be able to rename it here. Okay, you can rename just stacked column chart. Okay, now if you want like if you want more sheets, what you have to do is you have to click on this plus. Okay, here the new window opens up. Okay. Yes, so now see, when we take our mouse on the stack column chart, here you get a different option. So this is click to turn on drill down. Okay, so here you can drill it down here, and here next level in the hierarchy. So here we are giving it a quarter wise. So here our date, see, here in the date we have a hierarchy. All right, so here hierarchy is for the year, quarter, month, and the day. If you want it, you can select from here as well. Okay, or else you can drill it down here. So here now you can see our data is displaying in the year month wise: January, February, March, April, May. All right. Yes. Now again, if I drill it down, you will be able to see it in the day wise here. Okay. Yes, so now here at the lowest level of data you can keep it, or you can give a filters here in our data sets. Like now I want all the things to keep here, like your year, quarter, month, and day. Okay, so you will be able to see the day wise here. Okay, yeah, November, December, January, quarter one, quarter four. Okay, so that's wrap on stack column chart. Today we have learned what they are, when to use them, and how to create and customize them in the Power BI. Remember, this chart is a powerful way to visualize part to whole relationships and totals at the same times. If you found this video helpful, give it your thumbs up and share it with your network, and don't miss our upcoming videos. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.